Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion Y540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report that their Lenovo Legion Y540 becomes unbearably noisy, with fans sounding like jet engines. This issue typically arises due to accumulated dust or failing components, which can lead to overheating if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem could result in significant damage to your device over time. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip the unit over, and using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the fans. They are typically situated near the heat sinks. To replace a faulty fan, unscrew it from its mount using the Phillips screwdriver, and gently disconnect the cable attached to the motherboard. Make sure to take note of how the cable is routed to avoid confusion when installing the new fan. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new fan and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring the cable is properly routed before securing it in place with the screws. Once the fan is firmly in position, apply thermal paste on the heat sink if necessary, then replace the back panel by aligning it carefully and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier and ensure they are tightened appropriately. Before you power on your device, take a moment to check everything is secure and no tools are left inside. After everything is back together, turn on your Lenovo Legion Y540 and listen for the fans. They should now be operating quietly and efficiently. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your device and consider using it on a flat surface to improve airflow. Keeping the laptop in a dust-free environment can also help. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.